What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the front dome lights on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So I'm going to take a pocket screwdriver and slide in right here. There's a little slot. I'm just going to pry this down. I might have to go around the outside a little bit. And just pull, and this slides out. There's those clips that hold that on. And you can just grab the bulb, pull it straight down. This is a 168 bulb. You just take it and slide it back in the slot. It's good. You can check it, make sure it works. Just make sure that switch is pushed forward and it works, so we're good. So we can reinstall the cover. Just slide this in position like that and lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.